The B-2 is described as a platform which can operate undetected over enemy territory and, in effect, knock down the door by destroying enemy radar and air defenses so that other aircraft can fly through a radar corridor and attack. Air Force pilots of the 1980s-era stealthy B-2 Spirit bomber planned to arm the B-2 with new weapons and upgrade the aircraft to fly the aircraft on attack missions against enemy air defenses well into the 2050s, service officials said. In coming years, the B-2 will be armed with next-generation digital nuclear weapons such as the B-61 Mod 12 with a tailkit and a long-range standoff weapon or LRSO, an air-launched, guided nuclear cruise missile, service officials said. The B-61 Mod 12 is an ongoing modernization program which seeks to integrate the B-61 Mods 3, 4, 7 and 10 into a single variant with a guided tail kit. The B-61 Mod 12 is being engineered to rely on an inertial measurement unit for navigation. In addition to the LRSO, B-83 and B-61 Mod 12, the B-2 will also carry the B-61 Mod 11, a nuclear weapon designed with penetration capabilities, Air Force officials said. The LRSO will replace the Air-Launched Cruise Missile, or ALCM, which right now is only carried by the B-52 bomber, officials said. Alongside its nuclear arsenal, the B-2 will carry a wide range of conventional weapons to include precision-guided 2,000-pound Joint Direct Attack Munitions, or JDAMs, 5,000-pound JDAMs, Joint Standoff Weapons, Joint Air-to-Surface Standoff Missiles and GBU-28 5,000-pound Bunker Buster Weapons, among others. The platform is also preparing to integrate a long-range conventional air-to-ground standoff weapon called the JASSMER, for Joint Air-to-Surface Standoff Missile, Extended Range. The B-2 can also carry a 30,000-pound conventional bomb known as the Massive Ordnance Penetrator, Maj Kenta Mikkelsen, Director of Operations for 394th Combat Training Squadron, told Scout Warrior in an interview. The B-2 represents a huge leap in technology from legacy platforms such as the B-52 and the B-1 bomber. This involved taking the best of what is available and giving it to the air crew, Mikkelsen said. The Air Force currently operates 20 B-2 bombers, with the majority of them based at Whiteman AFB in Missouri. The B-2 can reach altitudes of 50,000 feet and carry 40,000 pounds of payload, including both conventional and nuclear weapons. The aircraft, which entered service in the 1980s, has flown missions over Iraq, Libya and Afghanistan. In fact, given its ability to fly as many as 6,000 nautical miles without need to refuel, the B-2 flew from Missouri all the way to an island off the coast of India called Diego Garcia, before launching bombing missions over Afghanistan. As a stealth bomber engineer during the height of the Cold War, the B-2 was designed to elude Soviet air defenses and strike enemy targets, without an enemy ever knowing the aircraft was even there. This stealthy technological ability is referred to by industry experts as being able to evade air defenses using both high-frequency engagement radar, which can target planes, and lower-frequency surveillance radar which can let enemies know an aircraft is in the vicinity. The B-2 is described as a platform which can operate undetected over enemy territory and, in effect, knock down the door by destroying enemy radar and air defenses so that other aircraft can fly through a radar corridor and attack. However, enemy air defenses are increasingly becoming technologically advanced and more sophisticated. Some emerging systems are even able to detect some stealth aircraft using systems which are better networked, using faster computer processors and able to better detect aircraft at longer distances on a greater number of frequencies. The Air Force plans to operate the B-2 alongside its new, now-in-development bomber called the Long Range Strike Bomber, or LRSB, well into the 2050s. As a result, the B-2 fleet is undergoing a series of modernization upgrades in order to ensure the aircraft can remain at its ultimate effective capability for the next several decades, Mikkelsen said. One of the key upgrades is called the Defensive Management System, a technology which helps inform the B-2 crew about the location of enemy air defenses. Therefore, if there are emerging air defenses equipped with the technology sufficient to detect the B-2, the aircraft will have occasion to maneuver in such a way as to stay outside of their range. The Defensive Management System is slated to be operational by the mid-2020s, Mikkelsen added.